Guys, what's up? Today I'm going to make a boat and I'm going to show you also how to make a boat. So I am now just folding it, and it should be folded half like this. See, you can see it's folded half, and you should press it. Then I'm going to check the length, and I'm going to place the scale nicely as I can check the length. So it's 25. So half of 25 is how much? So if you can see the scale, I'm going to take this point, and from here I'm going to fold. So this point I'm going to take and I'm going to fold. So let's fold. So I have folded this now, and now let's see how to make it. So we have to fold it like this also once. So let me fold it, then meet you. Similar thing, we have to turn it and we have to do it. So let's do. Then we have to insert these points. So let's insert these 2 points. Okay, so then we have to do the same with the another both sides. So let's do. So I'm going to do this also. So let's do it. So it is done, and I'm now going to place it like this, and I'm going to fold it like this. So after doing that, I'm going to meet you. So I folded it like this. Now I'm going to fold similar by this side. So let's do. So it is done, and then we have to finally do like this and open it by this side. Wait a second, and I will meet you. So you can see I've made the boat, and if I want to write any message, I can write in this board, and this is ready. And now let's learn how to make a aeroplane in my next video. But till then, please subscribe, share.